Last 5 seconds. Ready, start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 9th May 2017 passed by the division bench of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh principal seat at Jabalpur in writ appeal number 667 of 2016, by which the High Court has dismissed the said appeal, original writ petitioner appellant herein has preferred the present appeal. The appellant was serving in 100% government aided private educational institution at the relevant time. The full bench of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh in cases of Dr. S.C. Jain versus State of Madhya Pradesh and others, WA number 950 of 2015, took the view that the teachers serving in the aided private educational institutions are not entitled to get the benefit of enhanced age of superannuation of 65 years. The appellant and others filed writ appeals before the High Court, which came to be dismissed, relying upon the case of Dr. S.C. Jain Supra. However, subsequently, the decision of the full bench of the High Court in the case of Dr. S.C. Jain Supra has not been set aside by this court. Wide judgment and order dated 7 May 2019 in CA number 4676 of 2019 in the case of Dr. R.S. Sohane versus State of MP and others, 2019-16 SCC 796, and it is held that the teachers like the appellant are entitled to get the benefit of enhanced age of superannuation of 65 years. The parties to the aforesaid appeals filed MA numbers 18381839 of 2019 with IA number 119950 of 2019 before this court, claiming the payment of outstanding salaries for the intervening period. This court disposed of the aforesaid interlocutory application and clarified that they can approach the High Court for redressal of their grievances with regard to the payment of outstanding salaries of intervening period, having heard learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respective parties and considering the various orders passed by the High Court by which in similar facts and situation, and not accepting the submission on behalf of the state that on the principle of no work no pay the teachers are not entitled to any monetary benefits for the intervening period between 62 years and 65 years of age. We are of the opinion that appellant shall be entitled to all consequential and monetary benefits, including the arrears of salaries and allowances for the intervening period, as if he would have been retired at the age of 65 years. The appellant, being similarly situated teacher, cannot be singled out. Even in the case of writ appeal number 378 of 2018 and other allied writ appeals, it was submitted by the state that on the principle of no work no pay such teachers are not entitled to any monetary benefits. However, the High Court, wide detailed judgment and order, has negated such a plea and defense and has observed that as the teachers were prevented from serving up to the age of 65 years, though they were entitled to, as held by this court in the case of Dr. R.S. Sohane Supra, they cannot be denied the monetary benefits for the intervening period. Stop.